The best herbs and spices for pain relief and inflammation. Are you tired of dealing with chronic inflammation? What if the solution was hiding right in your spice rack? In today's video, we're diving into powerful herbs and spices that could help fight inflammation and boost your overall health. From ginger and garlic to turmeric and cinnamon, these natural remedies are more than just kitchen staples. They pack serious anti-inflammatory punch. Stick around to discover how these flavorful ingredients can transform your health and reduce inflammation in your body. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health hacks you can use every day. 1. Ginger. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, is a delicious spice with a peppery yet sweet flavor. You can enjoy this spice in various ways, such as fresh, dried, or powdered. Aside from its culinary uses, ginger has a long history in traditional medicine for its wide-ranging health benefits, including its ability to alleviate nausea, improve digestion, and reduce pain. Ginger contains over 100 active compounds, including gingerol, shogol, zingiberine, and zingerone. These compounds are responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research shows that ginger can reduce inflammatory markers like CRP and TNF-A. In a study analyzing 16 trials with 1,010 participants, taking 1,000 to 3,000 mg of ginger daily significantly reduced markers of inflammation. Additionally, studies on osteoarthritis patients have found that ginger supplementation reduced joint pain and stiffness, sometimes outperforming conventional treatments. Its versatility makes it easy to add to many dishes, including stir-fries, soups, and teas. Alternatively, ginger supplements are available for those looking to target inflammation more directly. Ginger contains powerful compounds that reduce inflammation markers and joint pain, making it a great addition to your diet. 2. Garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, is a widely used spice with a strong, pungent flavor. For thousands of years, garlic has been valued in traditional medicine for its ability to treat infections, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce inflammation. The sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, diallyl disulfide, and S-allocysteine, have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Research supports the use of garlic to reduce inflammation. A comprehensive review of 17 high-quality studies involving over 830 participants found that garlic supplementation significantly reduced CRP levels. Furthermore, aged garlic extract has been shown to reduce both CRP and TNF-A levels, as well as help balance antioxidants like glutathione, GSH. Garlic is easy to incorporate into dishes like soups, salads, and stir-fries. For those seeking higher concentrations of garlic's health benefits, aged garlic supplements are also widely available. Garlic's sulfur compounds are effective in lowering inflammation markers and boosting antioxidants in the body. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, Curcuma longa, is a staple spice in Indian cuisine, known for its vibrant yellow color and earthy flavor. It contains over 300 active compounds, with curcumin being the most well-known. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making turmeric a top contender in reducing chronic inflammation. Curcumin has been shown to block the activation of NF-κ, a molecule that triggers the body's inflammatory response. Research shows that curcumin supplementation can significantly reduce inflammatory markers like IL-6 and CRP, providing relief for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. However, because turmeric only contains 3% curcumin by weight, and curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body, it's recommended to consume it with black pepper, which contains piperine, an ingredient that can enhance curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Curcumin supplements, especially those with added black pepper extract, are a more concentrated and effective option. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory properties and works best when paired with black pepper. 4. Cardamom. Cardamom, Elateria cardamomum, is a fragrant spice native to Southeast Asia with a unique, complex flavor profile. Studies suggest that cardamom may help reduce inflammatory markers like CRP, IL-6, and TNF-A. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, cardamom has been shown to increase antioxidant status by up to 90%. In an 8-week study of 80 people with prediabetes, those who took 3 grams of cardamom daily experienced a significant reduction in inflammatory markers such as his CRP and IL-6, compared to those who took a placebo. Cardamom is also beneficial for individuals with liver disease. In a study involving 87 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, daily supplementation with cardamom reduced both inflammation markers and liver damage. Cardamom can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, including curries, stews, and desserts, or taken in supplement form. Cardamom has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, making it a versatile spice for health and flavor. 5. Black pepper. Black pepper, Piper nigrum, is widely regarded as the king of spices. It is often used to season various dishes worldwide, but research shows it also possesses anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in black pepper, piperine, has been shown to reduce inflammation markers like IL-1 beta and TNF-A in animal studies. Piperine has also been shown to reduce joint swelling and inflammation in arthritis models, although human studies are still limited. Additionally, piperine's ability to enhance the absorption of curcumin in turmeric makes it even more beneficial when used together. While there is a need for more human-based studies, the current evidence suggests that black pepper is a valuable anti-inflammatory spice. Black pepper's active compound, piperine, has anti-inflammatory effects and works synergistically with turmeric for increased absorption. 6. Ginseng. Ginseng, particularly Panax ginseng, has long been prized for its medicinal properties. It is rich in ginsenosides, active compounds that are believed to have anti-inflammatory effects. Research indicates that ginseng can significantly reduce levels of CRP, IL-6, and TNF-A, helping to lower overall inflammation. An analysis of several studies found that ginseng supplementation over several weeks reduced inflammatory markers in participants with elevated CRP levels. Ginseng is available as a supplement, or you can brew its roots into a tea or add them to soups and stir-fries for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Ginseng's ginsenosides help reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lower their inflammation levels. 7. Green tea. Green tea, Camellia sinensis, is packed with polyphenols, including epigallocatechin-3 gallate, EGCG, which are potent antioxidants. Studies show that EGCG can reduce inflammation and is particularly beneficial for inflammatory diseases like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammatory bowel diseases. One study found that EGCG supplementation significantly improved symptoms in patients with ulcerative colitis, a form of inflammatory bowel disease. Green tea also supports heart health and may even reduce the risk of certain cancers by modulating inflammatory pathways. Drinking green tea or taking EGCG supplements regularly can offer notable health benefits. Green tea's polyphenols, particularly EGCG, provide strong anti-inflammatory benefits and improve overall health. 8. Rosemary. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant herb known for its culinary uses, especially in Mediterranean cuisine. Rosemary contains polyphenols such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that rosemary can reduce pain, stiffness, and inflammation in people with osteoarthritis, as well as decrease inflammatory markers in conditions like asthma and dermatitis. Rosemary works well as a seasoning for meats and vegetables, or can be consumed as a tea or in supplement form for a more concentrated dose. Rosemary is rich in polyphenols that reduce inflammation and provide pain relief, especially for joint-related conditions. 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum is a spice that has been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries. The two main types of cinnamon are Ceylon, true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the more common variety, contains high levels of coumarin, which may cause liver damage in excessive amounts, so it should be consumed in moderation. Studies show that cinnamon can reduce inflammation markers like CRP and MDA, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and NAFO. Thanks for watching. I hope you're inspired to add these anti-inflammatory herbs and spices to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and natural remedies, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.